How do I keep my bash history across sessions? I am working on a x86 target running Fedora 9. Whenever I reboot it, my history returns to some state, and I do not have commands I did in the sessions before the reboot. What I have to change to have updated history I had before reboot.
Which history? Bash history? If you're losing bash history and you have multiple sessions at a time, it's because each session is overwriting the other session's history. You probably want to tell bash to not overwrite the history each time, but rather to append to it. You can do this by modifying your bashric to run shop-hist-append. You can also increase the size of your history file by exporting hist size to be a large-ish number. It's in bytes, so 100,000 should be plenty.
I was suffering from the same problem, but my .bashrc file already had the shop-hist-append and correct hist file, hist size, hist file size. For me the problem was that my .bash_history file was owned by root rather than my username, so my user could never save to that file on exit.
I have written a script for setting a history file per session or task. It's based off the following. It doesn't necessarily save every history command, but it saves the ones that I care about, and it's easier to retrieve them than going through every command. My version also lists all history files and provides the ability to search through them all. Full source, this URL.
Look up the environment variables hist file, hist size, hist file size.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.